The Liberal Party campaigns in the vote-rich province of Pangasinan on Monday, hours after a new presidential poll shows standard-bearer Mar Rojas and running mate Leni Robredo's numbers rise between 4 and 5 percentage points. Rojas is in a good mood during his first stop in the province, a fish market, where he talks about his plans for the fishing industry. In Pangasinan, Rojas nabs the support of politicians from here and neighboring provinces, including that of Governor Amado Espino Jr., formerly of the National People's Coalition. It's an interesting mix. Espino, after all, walloped the LP's Hernani Braganza in a lopsided 2013 gubernatorial race. Barely 3 years later, the two support the same presidential candidate. It's now the turn of Espino's son to run for governor against NPC's Mark Cuangco, son of founder Danding. The older Espino, meanwhile, is challenging Cuangco's wife Kimi for 5th District Representative. Rojas and the LP are also allies with the De Venecias, an entrenched political family in the province. In Urdaneta, the LP coalition holds another proclamation rally with no less than party chairman and chief campaigner President Benigno Aquino III.
Kung dati-rati, parang lubog tayo, lagpas tao ang tubig na sitwasyon natin. Nalulunod na tayo sa hirap. Dahil sa mga programang ito, na ibaba natin ng tubig hanggang sa ilong, hanggang sa bibig, ngayon ay nasa dibdib na, nakakahinga na po.
Both Aquino and Rojas won in the province in 2010, but the landscape may have changed. Other presidential bets have been frequent visitors to the province. Aquino makes it a point to make clear distinctions between his bet and his rivals.
Marami ngayong umeepal at nakikisakay sa ating tagumpay. Yung nga pong isang kandidato, di ba, kayong testigo, sabi niya, palalawakin daw niya ang Pantawid Pamilya, pero yung anak naman po niya gusto itong imbestigahan. Sa dami ng alegasyon ng katiwalang hinaharap niya, malamang po, abusuhin lang niya ang Pantawid Pamilya.
The ruling party's message here, as in every other province they go to, the administration's projects and programs, and why it's important to make sure they continue. Foes turn friends, bitter rivals turn teammates. In a tight presidential race, every single vote counts. Beko Pen Rappler, Pangasinan.